On rebuilding a Turbo 350 transmission, there's a variety of tools that you'll need to complete this operation. There's tools specifically used to disassemble the unit and other tools that you need actually for reassembly. So we're going to go over all the tools that you need to rebuild a Turbo 350. First off, you will need a drill to hold a variety of drill bits, as well as an impact gun to disassemble the unit. The impact gun is only used for disassembly. The next thing is we have a scuff, a grinding tool. This will clean gaskets and material off the shift plate, valve body, and other areas of the transmission. You'll need a lip seal tool. You'll need a pick, as well as a small flat blade screwdriver to work on the valve body. In the kit will also come, in the Monster in the Box kit will include some drill bits. You have the 7/64 and the 3/16 drill bit, as well as a variety of sockets. Early units use SAE or standard thread, later use metric. So you would need a variety of bolts or a variety of sockets, and that's from a 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 15 millimeter, or a 3/8, 7/16, 7/16, as well as a 1/2 inch and 9/16. So those would be the variety of actual sockets that you'll need for the disassembly and reassembly. You also need a ratchet, an extension, preferably a 4 to 6 inch. You need a Phillips screwdriver, small to fit into the holes for alignment for reassembly. You need a flat blade screwdriver about this length. This will help you take snap rings out of the unit and also to reinstall. You need a pair of channel locks, a pair of needle nose pliers. You'll need some air for cleaning as well as for air static testing the unit. You need a scraper to clean the gaskets. This is a chisel to remove bushings. There's a punch to install some cup plugs in the unit, a chisel to remove seals and some bushings, and a variety of wrenches. You'll need anything from a 10 millimeter, 11 millimeter, 1/2 inch, to 9/16 to 11/16, which is the coolant line fitting. You also need a torque bar, so you can torque the bolts down during reassembly. You will need a ball peen hammer, and you will need a C-clamp, something to clean the valve body and smaller components. Besides mineral spirits, you need some kind of brake cleaner, carb cleaner. We also have a support bracket to hang the transmission for reassembly. And during the reassembly, we use a lot of trans gel, which we offer that here at Monster, and a bushing driver set. There's a variety of bushings that you'll need to replace all the bushings in the unit. So this covers all the tools that you'll need during the disassembly and reassembly of a Turbo 350.